Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting essentials out of the way. Install iTunes or iCloud for Windows and sign into your Apple ID so services can authenticate. Once done, enable Bluetooth on both devices if you prefer wireless pairing, or plug a known good USB Lightning cable into the PC. Make sure Windows 10 is updated and Device Manager has no unknown devices. This prevents driver blocks. Now that prerequisites are active, proceed to the actual link process so the phone and PC can exchange data securely. Next, pair and configure access depending on your chosen connection. If using Bluetooth, open Windows Settings Bluetooth and other devices, add the iPhone, and confirm the numeric code on both screens so pairing is secure. If using USB, unlock the iPhone and tap Trust when prompted. This grants File Explorer and iTunes permission to read DSIM photos. Then open iTunes or iCloud for Windows to choose sync options, contacts, photos, mail, and iCloud Drive, so the data you need moves reliably between devices. Finish by verifying functionality. Copy a photo via File Explorer, check iTunes or iCloud sync for contacts and calendars, and enable Personal Hotspot to confirm internet sharing works. Make sure iCloud Drive shows same files on both devices. Wait a few minutes for large uploads. If something fails, try the most effective quick fix first. Use a different certified Lightning cable and restart both devices. If still unresolved, update Apple drivers in Device Manager or reset location and privacy on the iPhone and repeat the trust prompt.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.